Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are going to tackle the art of the argument, specifically how to write a killer essay. You know, if you've ever felt that absolute dread of staring at a blank page, stick around, because we're about to turn that fear into a powerful, actionable blueprint. We have all been there, right? That blinking cursor on an empty screen, it just feels like it's mocking you. But what if I told you there was a way to beat writer's block every single time? A secret weapon that turns that intimidating white space into a canvas for your ideas. Well, the solution is structure. It's a reliable blueprint that works for pretty much any academic argument, the 5-paragraph essay. Think of it as the foundation for almost all academic writing. It is simple, it is powerful, and today we are going to master it. So let's start with section 1, your foundation. Every great building needs a solid foundation, right? And in essay writing, that foundation is your thesis. If you get this one single sentence right, your entire argument will have the strength to stand tall. A thesis isn't just a topic, it is an arguable claim. It's that one sentence, usually tucked in at the end of your first paragraph, that directly answers the question, so what? It's basically a roadmap that tells your reader exactly where you're going and what you plan to prove along the way. Now, what's really interesting here is the contrast. The weak thesis, it's just a subjective opinion. You can't really argue with great. But the strong thesis, now that makes a specific analytical claim. See the difference? It's like a flimsy pile of bricks versus a solid interlocking foundation for your whole argument. All right, so with our thesis, our foundation, poured and set, it's time to look at the overall plan. This brings us to section 2, the essay blueprint. This is the classic 5-paragraph structure that's going to guide our entire construction project. And as you can see, it is beautifully simple. You've got your intro, which hooks the reader and presents that all-important thesis. Then you've got the body, 3 solid paragraphs, where each one proves a distinct point. And finally, the conclusion, which just ties everything together with a nice bow. And now for the main event, building the argument. Welcome to section 3. The body paragraphs are really the steel framework of your essay. This is where you construct your argument, floor by floor, using solid evidence to support your thesis. Let's use a really simple thesis to see this in action. Our claim is, dogs are great pets because they are smart, great companions, and keep families safe. Notice those 3 key points? Okay, now watch how they become our roadmap. And here is the key takeaway, folks. Your body paragraphs have to follow the exact order of the points you laid out in your thesis. So body paragraph 1 tackles point 1. Paragraph 2 takes on point 2, and so on. It is a roadmap, and if you follow it, your reader will never, ever get lost. Now, this is where it gets really cool. It's like a structure within a structure. Each body paragraph is basically a mini essay. It has its own mini thesis, which we call a topic sentence. It presents its evidence, and then it has a concluding sentence that smoothly bridges to the next point. It's just beautifully efficient. Okay, our building is all framed out. Now it's time for section 4, capping it off. Every great structure needs a roof, and in our essay, the conclusion provides that essential closure. It protects the argument that you've so carefully built. Your conclusion has a very clear mission. First, restate your thesis, but try to use different words. Then, you briefly summarize the highlights from your body paragraphs. And most importantly, and this is a big one, do not introduce any new ideas. This is your final chance to leave a lasting impression. You know, a really powerful way to end is with a memorable final thought. This could be a strong statement, maybe a relevant quote, or a thought-provoking question. For our dog essay, a classic line like this one provides a perfect, satisfying close. The main structure is complete. Welcome to section 5, the final polish. This is where we add all those little finishing touches that take an essay from just good to truly excellent. Transition words are basically the glue that holds your essay together. These linking words create a smooth, logical flow between all your sentences and paragraphs, and they guide your reader effortlessly through your argument. And think of sources and quotes as the pillars that support your argument. Citing experts doesn't just show that you've done your research, it adds weight and credibility to your own voice, which makes your claims that much more persuasive. So if you found this architectural blueprint for essay writing helpful, do us a quick favor and hit that like button. And for more explainers that break down complex topics into simple steps, make sure you subscribe to the channel. See, that blank page isn't so scary anymore, is it? Now you have the blueprint, you have the tools. The only question is, what incredible argument are you going to build first?